In product development, everyone has a list of features they think customers want. But why do some features instantly delight users, while others are barely noticed, even if they cost a fortune to develop? The difference lies in understanding the hidden psychology of customer satisfaction. Today, we are diving into the definitive framework for strategic feature prioritization, the Kano Model. We'll use this free, interactive online tool to show you how to classify features into 3 critical buckets: the must-haves, the performance drivers, and the delightful exciters. If you want to stop guessing what to build next and start guaranteeing customer joy, this tool is your strategic compass. The Kano Model was developed in the early 1980s by Japanese quality management expert, Dr. Noriaki Kano. At the time, product development primarily operated on a linear assumption. The more features you add, the happier the customer is. Dr. Kano realized this was fundamentally flawed. He demonstrated that customer satisfaction is not linear. It's asymmetrical. Some features merely prevent dissatisfaction, we expect them, while others create exponential delight. The model challenged companies to move beyond simply chasing technical specifications and focus instead on the psychological relationship between a feature and a user's feeling. The Kano Model classifies product features into 5 key categories based on customer response. Must be, basic needs. These are expected. Their presence doesn't increase satisfaction, but their absence causes massive dissatisfaction, e.g., a phone that makes calls. Performance. Linear satisfaction is proportional to the level of functionality. More is better, e.g., faster internet speed, longer battery life. Attractive, exciters/delighters. These are unexpected. They create immense satisfaction when present, but their absence causes no dissatisfaction because the customer never expected them, e.g., a surprise feature upgrade. Indifferent. Features that customers simply don't care about. Reverse. Features that actually decrease satisfaction. The purpose of the Kano Model is to strategically allocate resources, ensuring you meet all basic requirements while selectively investing in high-impact, attractive features that drive market differentiation. This online tool acts as your facilitator, streamlining the complex process of running a Kano analysis and calculating the final categories. Step 1. Feature definition. You start by listing the specific product features you want to test in the input section. Step 2. Data input. The core of the Kano method is the paired questionnaire. For each feature, customers are asked 2 questions: a functional question, how do you feel if the feature is present? And a dysfunctional question, how do you feel if the feature is absent? The tool requires you to input the aggregated frequency counts for all 5 response options, like expect or dislike, collected from your user survey. Step 3. Calculation and categorization. The tool then takes this raw data and, using the established Kano evaluation table logic, instantly processes the responses to assign a definitive Kano category, must be, performance, attractive, etc., to each feature. It also calculates the overall customer satisfaction (CS) coefficients. Step 4. Visualization and reporting. The results are summarized in a clear analysis table that shows the category for every feature. Crucially, the tool generates a Kano graph visualization, allowing you to instantly compare the strategic importance of your entire feature set and export the results to a professional Excel workbook for formal product roadmap planning. The Kano Model teaches us that not all features are created equal. By leveraging this tool, you stop developing features that only prevent complaints and start building features that generate passionate advocacy. The link to this free Kano Model analysis tool is in the description below. Start delighting your customers and stop wasting resources on the wrong features today. Which of your current features do you suspect is just an indifferent? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product development tools.